Could, would, should. Do you know how to use these words? By the end of this video, you should, if you know what that word means. Could, would, should. These three rhyming words are examples of modal verbs. According to the dictionary, a modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibility. These verbs work together with the main verb to describe something that must or has possibility to happen in the future. Let's look at the differences among these three words and how they can be used. For example, let's imagine we are discussing the possibility of rain tomorrow. It should rain tomorrow. This means that there is a necessity for it to rain. The conditions are right for it, but I'm not willing to predict it. It will rain tomorrow. So I say, it should rain tomorrow. It could rain tomorrow. This means that there is a potential for it to rain. It is getting humid, the wind is picking up, the chance is fairly high for rain to come. If we planned to go to the beach tomorrow, I'm sure it would rain. This means that if the circumstances were changed, there would be a necessity for it to rain. In this case, it's an expression of bad luck. Let's try another scenario with these three words. Suppose we are trying to make sure that we will be on time for our departure flight. We still have 30 minutes before takeoff. We should be on time. Based on the time it normally takes to go the distance, we will have no problem to make it. We still have 30 minutes before takeoff. We could be on time. Although time is running out fast, there still is hope for us to be on time. It's possible. We would be on time if we had not gotten stuck in this traffic jam. Under normal circumstances, it is enough time, but this is not a normal circumstance. Could, would, and should are good words to help us express future situations. By going through the examples above, you should be able to make some sentences of your own. Many foreign English speakers are not big fans of grammar, but hopefully this video has given you a grammar point that you can actually use. Any questions or comments? You know what to do. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.